Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to Diksha Vedanta Foundation YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing really good. So today is bacha day 58 of our series 99% in 99 days for CBSE mathematics. So we are doing bacha the completion of a chapter probability with a bang of a topic which is PYQ. Okay, so we are going to solve total of 16 problems today in the PYQ section, and again from different categories, from the MCQ, from the assessment reason, from the 2 mark or 3 mark category as well. It means bacha what happens is you can every year expect questions, one question from either 2 marker or 3 marker, one question in the category, not one, I can say 2 questions in the category of 1 marker, means either MCQ or assessment reason, right? So I hope you're prepared for that. I hope you're ready for this very interesting session on the PYQs of probability. Okay, so without wasting time, I'm going to start the session, bacha. Please take your pen and paper out and solve all these questions with me. You don't need to take a pause. You can just solve directly because the questions will be very, very simple. The chapter itself is very, very, very simple, sir. So let's have a look. Coming up for you, this chapter, probability on the PYQs. Okay, so again, you know the chapter, how it is defined. So you have a probability of an event. Okay, some examples of the questions are die problems are there. You have cards problems. Okay, it can be a card of deck which is 52. The classifications are there, 4 categories. Okay, hearts is there, clubs are there, spades, and okay, the 4th category, the coin toss is also there, bacha. 2 coin toss, 3 coin toss, 4 coin toss. Okay, it's not 4 coin toss, you have only 2 coin toss and 3 coin toss, forgive me for that. They can ask you question on prime number, even numbers, like that. Also that type of questions will be there. I've taken some here as well. So have a look. Chapter plan is like this. Moving on to your weightage, if you check out, the whole unit has a weightage of 11 marks. Unit means statistics and probability together weigh around 11 marks. In the probability, bacha, you can expect 4 to 5 marks. In the probability, you can expect bacha 4 to 5 marks coming for you. Okay, again the coin toss, die problems, and the cards problems. Category of the questions can be MCQ, 2 marker, 3 marker, and case study as well. They can also ask a case study, bacha. Okay, if you check the previous question paper, you will find one case study present there as well. Okay, now 2 dice. Question number 1 in the MCQ category, if you check out over here, you have 2 dice are rolled together. The probability of getting sum of numbers on the 2 dice as 2, 3 or 5 is what? 2 dice are rolled together, right? 2 dice means, let's say I'll write here the display of the 2 dices. Okay, the display of 2 dices, sum to be 2, bacha, sum to be 2. I'll write here sum, sir, sum to be 2. The display can have only one result, 1 and 1. है ना, 1 and 1. The sum can only be 2 if it is 1 and 1. Can it be 0 and 2? The die has only from 1 to 6. It cannot be 0 and 2. So only one such situation. What if the sum is 3, bacha? When the sum is 3, we can have 1 2 or 2 1. Can we have other situation, bacha? Can we have other situation than this 1 2 and 2 1 in the display of the 2 dice? Okay, the outcome, it cannot be there, right? Either first can be 1, second can be 2, or first can be 2 and second can be 1. Those are the only 2 conditions. What if the sum is 5, sir? What if the sum is 5, sir? We can have, first thing, 1 4, okay? We can have 4 1, or we can have 2 3 or 3 2. Can we have something else? Think about it. Can we have something else? No, so we can't have 0 and 5. We can't have anything with 5 and 0 like that. Okay, so we have total how many sets? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 out of total number of bacha ordered pair 1 comma 1 1 comma 2 2 comma 1 1 comma 4, like that. We have total of 36, right? You remember 1 comma 1 2 1 comma 6, 2 comma 1 2 2 comma 6, 3 comma 1 2 3 comma 6, right? 3 comma 1 3 comma 2 3 comma 3 3 comma 4 3 comma 5 and 3 comma 6. So like that we have total of 36 such samples. Okay, so the probability will be, bacha, probability of getting the sum to be, the sum equals to 2 3 or 5 is nothing but 7 by 36, because the ordered pairs are 1 comma 1 1 comma 2 2 comma 1 1 comma 4 4 comma 1 and 2 3 and 3 2. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Answer is option number A. Answer is option number A. It's a CBSE Delhi paper asked in 2024. Have a look. Okay, question number 1 is over. Let's move on to question number 2. In a single throw of 2 dice, the probability of getting 12 as a product. Again, bacha, 2 dice, right? Single throw means only one. So this is the display, the outcome display. Product is 12. How can we have, bacha, product as 12? We can have, sir, 2 6 or 6 2. Anything else? Yes, sir, we can have 3 4 or 4, 3. Anything else, sir? We can't have 1, 12 and 12, 1, of course. So this is it. 2, 6, 6, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3. Anything else? No, sir. What is the answer, bacha? Total number of ordered pairs like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. So total is 4. Total number of outcomes, how much is that? I just said in 2 dice case we have 36. 4 9s are 36. Answer is 1 by 9. 1 by 9. Option number A is here. Option number A is here. 1 by 9. Please have a look. CBSE 2023 paper. Okay, chaliye. So I hope this is clear. Question number 2, answer is 1 by 9. Let's move on to question number 3. For an event E, if P plus PE bar, what it means? For an event E to occur and for event E not to occur. What is the probability, sir? It will be always 1, right? We know this, no? For a probability of event to occur and probability of event not to occur, together will always be, bacha, 1, right? It means Q will be, sir, 1. Great. From here what we have? Q square minus 4 value they are asking, bacha. Check this out. 1 square minus 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Option A again. Sir, if I take C, your questions A, I take all the MCQs are A in probability, will this be enough? No, sir. Sometimes they can change the options as well, right? So don't trust the options blindly. Solve and get the right option and get the 1 mark that you need, that you deserve. Okay, so please check. Answer is minus 3. Option number A. Luckily for us, this is also from your PYQ CBSE 2024 paper. Yes, for the last 3 questions, option is coming as option A only. If you're getting a different answer, let me know in the comment section that, sir, I'm getting a different answer. Why I'm getting like that? I'll reply to your comment. I'll let you know what is the mistake. Okay, if there is any mistake, let me know, bacha. Chaliye. Question number 4. A bag contains 5 red balls and n green balls. Okay. Red balls are 5. And what is the number of green balls, sir? Green ball is n. Okay. If the probability of drawing a green ball, green ball is what, bacha? Green ball will be, probability of drawing a green ball will be n, the number of green balls divided by total number of balls. So 5 plus n. Same way, probability of drawing a red ball, sir, will be, bacha, 5 upon total number of balls. So 5 plus n. They've given something. Probability of drawing a green ball is 3 times. So they are saying, bacha, probability of drawing a green ball is 3 times of what? Probability of drawing a red ball. Okay, so let's check the values that we have so far. What is it, sir? For PG I have n upon 5 plus n. Over here I have 3 times of 5 upon 5 plus n. Cross check here. Denominator is same. I can cancel the denominator. Okay, what I get, bacha? I get n equals to 5 into 3, which is 15. I think you have the option like that. Option number B. Option number B is correct. CBSE 2023 paper. You can check here. Again, in the same year, 2 questions was just there in the MCQ category. Okay, that's why I said MCQ are most likely to come. Either the case study, if they're giving case study 4 marks right away there, otherwise they'll give you MCQ and 2 marker or MCQ and 3 marker. Okay, chaliye. So question number 4 is done. Thus I've taken a lot of questions over here, bacha, from the MCQ. Again, CBSE 2024 paper, have a look. From the letters of the word mobile, okay, a letter is selected at random. Great. Probability that the selected letter is a vowel. Okay. Vowel, sir. Vowel is what, bacha, if you remember. Sir, don't teach English to us, no? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U is my vowels. How many I have over here? I have O, I and E. So total is, so probability of getting a vowel, bacha, is 3 upon, why 3, sir? Check here, mobile, right? Mobile. This is a vowel, this is a vowel, and this also is vowel, right? A, E, I, O, U, okay? So E, I and O are vowels. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 by 6. Chances are what, sir, bacha? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the chances of selecting a letter which is a vowel. So option number C is correct. Option number C is correct. Okay, chaliye. Let's move on to question number 6. 2 dice are thrown together. The probability of getting the difference of, numbers on their upper faces equals to 3. Difference. Again sir, let's draw the outcome display bacha. Outcome display. Okay, the difference, if this is let's say A and this is B, what are they saying? A minus B should always be 3 sir. Difference they are saying, display on the upper faces, right? Whenever you throw your dice, what do you take? On the upper face, whatever it is coming. So A and B, let's say the letters are, difference has to be 3. When can that be, bacha? It can be either 1 and 4 or 4 and 1, right? Or it can be 2 and 5 or 5 and 2, or what, bacha? 3 and 6 and 6 and 3. Anything else can we take? No sir, we can't take anything else. We don't have 4 and 7, right? So we have one ordered pair like this, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ordered pairs such. Okay, so probability for the difference to be equals to 3. What is that, bacha? Is going to be total of 6 ordered pair. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 upon total number of outcomes 36. What's the answer, bacha? 1 by 6. What's the answer, bacha? 1 by 6. Option number C, 1 by 6. I hope this is clear. Simple problem. Have a look. Moving on, question number 7. The probability of throwing a number greater than 2 with a fair die. Greater than 2, right? It means in a die we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Greater than 2 means, okay, this value 3, 4, 5, 6 means what is that, bacha? P for getting a number A greater than 2, sir. How much, that, bacha? Total number of outcomes. Favorable outcome is what, bacha? 4. Number of favorable outcome 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of favorable outcome 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by total number of outcomes. What is that? 6. So 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Option is A, sir. Option is A, sir. Please have a look. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, right? So 2 by 3 is the answer. I hope this is simple. They're saying only one die, okay? There's only one die, bacha, with a fair die. They mentioned here, with a fair die. Okay? Fair means unbiased. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 written on all the 6 faces of the cubical die. Okay? 2 dice are tossed simultaneously. The probability of getting odd numbers on both the dice. Okay? Now there are 2 ways to solve this question. One way is to write all the odd numbers like, like this. 1, 1. Then in 1 we'll write 1 and 3, 1 and 5. Okay? Over here we'll write, bacha, what? 2, 1. Not 2. Sorry, 2 and we can't take, no? Both the dice is odd, right? So we can't take with 2. 2 is gone. We have to take, bacha, what? 3. So 3, 1, 3, 3. Okay? And 3, 5. Same way we can't take 4 now. We have to take 5. 5, 1, 5, 3 and 5, 5. What do you get, bacha? 3, 3, 6 plus 3, 9. So 9 by total how much is that? 36. Probability of getting odd, sir, is how much? 9 by 36. How much is that? What is this, bacha? This is the favorable outcomes. This is the favorable outcomes. What about this? Total number of outcomes is 36. Okay? What is my answer? 1 by 4. 1 by 4 or 9 by 36. Here. Check here. Option D is correct. There's one more way to solve it. There's one more way to solve it which is simpler. If you need MCQ, you don't have to write the steps, right? MCQ means no need to write the steps. So don't worry about all of this. If it is a 2 marker, you have to write this way only. But if MCQ, no need to write steps. Do this thing. Displays, have a look. Display number 1, number 2 for the outcomes. For the first die, chance of getting odd. For the first die, for the first throw, chances of getting odd is what, sir? 1, 3 and 5. So 1 by 2, na? Or we can write it here 3 by 6, right? For the last one, again, bacha, this one also same, right? If you throw a die, what happens? You can get 3, 5 and 6. 3 numbers are there as such. Total is 6. So 3 by 6. This is for odd, right? Both of them has to be odd. So 3 by 6, 3 by 6. Multiply them. Both should come, no? Odd means multiplication. There is no or. This is and condition. Means this also should come and this also should come. So multiplication. What is the answer? 9 by 36. Same thing I got over here. Please check. If you are dealing with only MCQ, no need to write all the steps. Just write this and get the answer. For the first throw, 3 by 6. Second throw, 3 by 6. And so multiplication, multiply them, get the answer as 9 by 36 or 1 by 4. I hope this is clear. Question number 8 is done. Right? Simple enough. Moving on with question number 9. A bag contains बच्चा 100 cards numbered 1 to 100. A card is drawn at random from the bag. Okay. What is the probability of that number on the card is perfect cube? Perfect cubes are simple. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube and 4 cube. We can't take 5 cube. Let's try. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125. Can't be taken, sir, because the limit is 100. It means we have only 4 such cards. How many cards are there? Number of favorable outcomes is just 4, sir. Total number of outcome, bacha, 100 cards, right? So probability of getting a perfect cube would be given by 4 upon 100. 4 upon 100, right? Favorite outcome is 4, na? Only 1, 8, 27 and 64. The cards with the number 1, 8, 27 and 64 are the cards with perfect cube on it, right? So 4 by 100, how much is that? 1 by 25. 1 by 25, sir. Chaliye. Okay, this is the answer. Please check which option is correct. Option number C. Okay, now you have solved almost 9 questions with me. I know I went a little bit fast because the questions are easier. That's why I went fast. Okay, so I hope there's no problem in that. But I have a very important announcement to make for all of you. After solving all these MCQs, bacha, this is about your DSAT program. Okay, bacha, we organize this every year, so we are organizing this year as well. It's called as Diksha Scholastic Aptitude Test. So what we do in this test is, what we do in this program is to help our student. This program is created for the sole purpose of helping our student make a right career choice. You know, right? You must have seen your seniors or somebody else around you making wrong decision and wasting few years in their life, in their career. Okay, so what you have to do is make the right career choice. Between what, sir? Between science with maths, without maths, which is medicine, or you want to go for, let's say, commerce or arts. Okay, so this program, bacha, helps you make that right career choice between all these streams available to you. Okay, how it does, I'll let you know that, about that as well in detail. Don't worry about it. Right now, let's say, think about a category of students. You are one of them who is very clear with it. Sir, I want to do engineering, or I want to do medical. Okay, or whatever is your choice, bacha, then this program helps you understand your competency level for JEE, for NEET, for KSAT. Means where you stand in the preparation, how can you get ahead in the competition? All these questions will be answered once you take this program. How can you take this program? The link for this web page is given in the description of this video. Go ahead, check the link out. Once you enroll over here by filling your details in this form, you have to connect with our team and they'll help you book a slot for this program. On Sunday, this program is conducted, bacha, only on Sunday for 3 hours at our offline campuses of Diksha. You have to visit the campus, so you have to get details about it. Once you get enrolled and get in touch with the team, they'll let you know 3 hours you have to spend. Sunday, the coming Sunday, you can spend, bacha, at our offline campus of Diksha. Now, how it actually helps, I'll let you know about that at the end of the session. Right now, I'm getting back to solving questions for all of you. Let's have a look on question number 10. Assertion and reason, sir. Assertion says the probability that a leap year has 53 Sundays is 2 by 7. Okay, think about it. Leap year, bacha. Leap year means what, sir? 366 days. 366 days, sir. Leap year means 1 day extra, right? Okay, so total we have 52 weeks, right? 52 weeks plus 2 days, na? 52 weeks has, bacha, how many days? 364 days, right? 52 weeks means 364 days. Okay, 2 weeks extra because the number of days is 366. Confused? Don't worry, right? How does leap year occurs? Because every year, bacha, we have 52 weeks, right? 1 day is extra. After 4 days, it becomes, okay, it becomes a, so yeah, 52 weeks we have. Okay, we have 1 day extra. After this, it becomes, bacha, what? 1 extra day. Correct or not? So 2 days will be there. Now 52 weeks means what, bacha? It means it'll be having 52 Sundays. 52 Sundays. Yes or no? Yes, sir. What about this 2 days, bacha? Please have a look. So for this we don't need any probability, right? For us to have 53 Sunday, for us to have 53 Sunday means one extra day of fun or not doing anything. Okay, that's what the Sunday is for. Okay, for different people there will be different ways to spend a Sunday, but for me, okay, one of the reasons is to having Sundays, not doing a lot of work that day. Okay, so 53 Sunday means one extra day. How can I have that, sir? I want to ask myself, how can I have that extra Sunday, bacha? So that can happen in few ways. 2 days extra. This is our regular Sunday, so this is the goal. 2 days extra. This can be Sunday, Monday, or it can be Monday and Tuesday, okay, which is not fun. Tuesday and Wednesday, Wednesday and Thursday, or Thursday and Friday, or bacha what? Friday and Saturday, or sir Saturday and Sunday. So in 2 cases we have Sunday, Monday, Saturday, Sunday. So we have 2 such cases, right? Out of how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So out of 7 we have 2 such arrangement where I can get an extra Sunday. I'm not getting 2 extra Sunday. Can it be Sunday, Sunday? Can you have back-to-back Sundays? You can't, right? So the day has to be like this, Sunday and Monday, or Saturday and Sunday. So only in 2 situations where we have Sunday, Monday and Saturday, Sunday, we get extra Sunday, right? So for extra Sunday, what are the chances, bacha? The chances is 2 by 7. So what is they have given? 2 by 7. That's correct. Assumption is correct. Let's look at the reason now. The probability that a non-leap year has 53 Sunday is 5 by 7. Is it, bacha? Non-leap year, it means how many days, bacha? 365 days. What it means? 52 weeks plus 1 day, right? This 1 day can be what, sir? It can be either Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, or Saturday. Hana? It can be either one of them. No, can it be 2? No, it can be either Sunday, Monday, like that. So this 1 day can be Sunday only 1 times out of total 7. What is the chances? 1 by 7, na? Think about it. For the remaining 1 day, 52 weeks means 52 Sunday. That is clear. We want 53 Sundays. Even in that, being greedy. Okay, it means the chances are having only 1 by 7. So what is it, sir? 5 by 7. So incorrect, bacha. So we have assertion is true, reason is false. Option number C. In a leap year, the chances are 2 by 7. Non-leap year chances are 1 by 7. How? I explained you over here. Have a look. Question number 11. I hope the 10th is clear. It's a good question. It's a very good question. Okay, it can be asked in 3-marker category as well. Question number 11 now. The assertion, the probability of getting a prime number when a die is thrown once. Okay, prime numbers, check out over here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. All the outcomes, prime numbers are 2, 3 and 5. So what is it, bacha? 3 out of 6. How much is that? 1 by 2, na? Correct, right? So total are 2, 3 and 5. 3 numbers such. Total outcome is 6. So 1 by 2, 2 by 3. Incorrect, bacha. Okay. Reason, on the face of die, prime numbers are 2, 3, 5. This is correct, no? That's the prime number. That's what I've taken away. 2, 3 and 5. So reason is true. Assertion is false. Option number D. Have a look. Reason is true. The prime numbers are 2, 3 and 5 for on a die. Okay. What about the assertion? It's false, bacha. The answer has to be 1 by 2. Okay. I hope this is clear. Moving on to question number 12. Moving on to question number 12, which is on the category of 2-marker, 3-marker questions. Okay. Chaliye. A single letter is selected at random from the word probability. Find the probability that it is a vowel. Okay. Again, March 12 paper. Have a look. So vowel, right? So we have over here vowel, here vowel, here vowel, here vowel. Any more we have? O is there, A is there, I is there, I is there. Okay, no. So that is probability of getting a vowel will be, bacha. So 4. Total is how much, sir? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. So 4 by 11. As simple as that. What is 4, sir? Number of favorable outcome is 4. If you want to write like this, number of favorable outcomes is what, bacha? Is 4. What are the outcomes? We have O, A, I and I. Okay, what about total number of outcomes? Total number of outcomes is what, bacha? Is going to be 11. That's why 4 by 11 is my answer. PV equals to probability of getting a vowel is 4 by 11 in the letter probability. Question number 13. Simple question was 12, right? CBSE March 11 paper. 2 dice are thrown simultaneously find the probability of getting a prime number on both sides. Okay, so bacha, what we can do, two approaches are there. Write all the arrangement like this. So we can write here prime numbers, right? So 2 3, then what bacha, 2 and 5, because 2 4 is not there, 2 6 not a prime. Okay, because they're saying both, find the probability of getting a prime numbers on both dice. For both the displays that we have, display 1 here, display 2, both should be prime. So 2 3, 2 5. Over here you can write bacha same thing. So 3 2 and 5 2. Chali, this is clear. What about 3, sir? We have 3 with nothing. 3 with 2 is already taken. 3 with 5 we can write. 3 with 5. 3 with 4 we can write. 3 by 6 we can't write. So 3 by 5 already taken here. So right here 5 by 3 also. Okay. What about the other one? 3 by 5, 5 by 3. So we'll have for 4 we can't take because 4 is not a prime number. For 6 we can't take, right? We can't take that also. For 6 also we can't take that bacha. Okay, what we are getting? 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? How much is that? 6 by 36, right? How much is that? Okay, 1 by 6. Okay, let's check this method. For prime numbers, what is that bacha? 2 3 and 5. Okay, 2 3 and 5 we are getting something else. Did I miss something? 2 3 3 2 2 5 5 2. Okay, yeah, correct. No, 3 5 and 5 3. All right, so okay, this works. So 2 3 5. And we also have 2 2. Okay, 3 3 and 5 5. Correct na? 2 2 3 3 and 5 5. Both are primes only, right? 2 and 2 is prime, 3 and 3 is prime, 5 and 5 is prime. Count the numbers: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So probability of getting primes on both the places, we what bacha? It's going to be 9 by 36, 1 by 4. 1 by 4. What is this bacha? The favorable outcomes. The favorable outcomes. है ना? Favorable outcomes, sir. What about the other approach? We have learned it, right? We can write it like this: first display, second display. Probability of getting prime on the first one is 2 3 and 5 over here. 2 3 and 5 again. What is the answer, bacha? 3 by 6 for this, 3 by 6 for this. Okay, we want both together, means and, means we have to multiply 3 by 6 into 3 by 6. What is the answer, bacha? 9 by 36. What is the answer, sir? 1 by 4. Same thing over here, 1 by 4. Please have a look. Okay, so you can solve this question in both approaches. This is more preferable, so use this method. Use this method. Okay, but if it is MCQ, bacha, you can use this method as well. Okay, you can use other method as well if it is MCQ. I hope this is clear. MCQ, use this approach. If you have to answer in 2 marker, 3 marker, you write all the favorable outcome, write the total outcomes, and divide them like this to get the answer. Probability of getting primes on both the places as 1 by 4. I hope this is clear. Moving to question number 14. A game consists of tossing a coin 3 times and noting the coin toss 3 times. Okay, noting the outcomes each time. Okay, toss 3 times. If getting the same result in all the tosses is a success, means either head or tail. These are success. Okay, so success, the success will be, okay, so what is success? They have given here the success is all tosses. Okay, so what we have, success will be either head or tail, right? We have said anything they have said. Getting the same result, either head or tail, nothing preferred as only heads or tails. Find the probability of losing the game, or probability of losing the game. Okay, losing the game, sir. They are asking this value. How much is this going to be? So first total, what is the total number of outcomes over here? Check this out. So first you'll have favorable outcomes. I'll write later. I'll write total outcome first. Total outcomes. Okay, 1 second, just give me 1 second, sir. Okay, total outcome is what, bacha? It's going to be head, tail, head, tail. Okay, now what? Tail, head, tail head, and THT, what is 2, 3 is 5 to 7, and what is, I have HTT, right? HTT. Check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is what? Okay, triple H, triple T, H, TH, HHT, THH, TTH, THT, and we also have HTT. This is the total number of outcomes. So total is what, bacha? Total is going to be, sir, 8 here. Okay. Favorite outcome, sir. Favorite outcome will be, bacha, except for this. What is that, sir? So number of favorite outcome will be, sir, 6, na? Because these two are success. For failures, for the loss, you'll need the other 6. So we have, what is the answer going to be? This is going to be probability of losing the game. Will be given by, bacha, what? 6 by 8. How much is that? 2 3 is 6 and 2 4 is 8. So 3 by 4 is my answer. 2 3 is 6 and 2 4 is 8. So 3 by 4 is my answer. Chances of losing the game is 3 by 4. Have a look. Okay. Question number 14 is done. Total number of outcome is 8. I've written the sample space over here. Have a look. Favorable outcome is what, bacha? 6. We're looking for losing the game. So that's why 6 by 8. So 3 by 4. Question number 15 now. A box contains cards numbered 3, 5, 7, 9, 35 and 37. A card is drawn at random. Okay. From the box, find the probability that the number on the drawn card is prime number. Okay. So let's have a look. Look for prime number, bacha. So prime numbers between 3 and 37. Prime numbers between 3 and 37, sir. Have a look. I can get 3 here. I can get here 5, 7. Okay. Next will be 11, bacha. 9 is not a prime. Next I'll have 13. Next I'll have 17. I'll have 19. I'll have 23. Correct, na? 23. Then we'll be having 29. Okay. 31. Then I have 33, no. 35, no. 37. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So number of favorable outcome is simply 11. What about total outcome, sir? What about total outcome? Total outcome. Okay. Have a look. They've given an AP, right? It's a AP. First term is 3, last term is 37. The common difference is 2 all the time because it's a series of odd numbers from 3 to 37. So I can write, bacha, the AP formula. AN is given by A plus N minus 1 times of D. What is the last term, sir? 37, bacha. So right here 37 equals to first term, sir, 3. 3 plus, I don't know the number of terms, so N minus 1. Common difference, sir. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 2 is 7. So 2. Subtract on this side. Bring here 37 minus 3 equals to N minus 1 into 2. N minus 1 into 2. What I'm getting? Have a look. I'm getting here 34 equals to N minus 1 into 2. Cancel this. 2 17s are 34. 17 equals to N minus 1. N equals to 18. This is the total outcomes. Okay, total outcome is what, bacha? 18, bacha. We're looking for probability of getting prime numbers. Right? How much is that? 11. The number of favorable outcome is 11 by total number of outcome, which is 18. This is my answer, sir. Please have a look. This is my answer, bacha. Can be asked for 3 marks. Again, a P by Q. CBSE March 2013 paper asked for 3 marks. Can be asked for 3 marks. Okay. Similar question can be asked. You can see here probability has application of AP in it. Okay. A very good question. Let's move on to question number 16, the last question of the day. I hope you're ready for this. So 3 coin toss are tossed simultaneously. What is the probability of getting? They've given 3 cases for us. We'll solve it, but we'll write first what? All the outcomes. 3 coin toss means 8. I hope you know all of this, right? 3 coin toss, bacha, it means in 1 coin toss, number of outcomes 2. In 1 coin toss, number of outcomes is 2. And how many number of events are there? 3 coin tosses. It means first event is first coin toss, second event is second coin toss, third event is third coin toss. It means the total number of event is 3 here. It means what is the answer? 2Q. What is that, bacha? 8. What is this represents? 3 represents number of events, bacha. Number of events. What is this? Outcome of one event. Outcomes of one event. That's why I'm writing here all the time 8. So remember 36, how's a number of bacha? 2 coin toss, right? 2 coin toss. 6 is, sorry, not 2 coin toss, dice. In one dice throw, how many outcome are there? 6, right? And how many dice we are throwing? 2, 6 square. How much is that? 36. Not respect to the question that we have over here. Wanted to give you extra information. What is that about? This represents bacha in the bracket number of outcome in one event. Repeat after me if you're watching the video. Number of outcome in one event is in the bracket. The numerator, the power represents total number of such events. I'll repeat again. In the bracket I have number of outcomes in one event. The power represents total number of events. Okay, total number of events. So that's why 6 square is 36 whenever you throw 2 dice. Okay, chaliye. So I'll write the outcomes first. So I have H, 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 T. Okay, what next? H, T, T. Okay, what next? T, T, T. What next? H, T, H, T, H, T, 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 H, and T, H, H, T, H, H. Please check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Have I missed anything? Have I written anything twice? I don't think so. T, H, H, and H, H, T over here. So everything is written properly. Yes, so there are total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 outcomes. Okay. Now let's look at the first question. What does it say? Probability of getting at least one head. Probability of getting at least one head. Right here. At least one head. At least one head means what, bacha? At least one head means what, bacha? It means minimum is 1, maximum can be 3 also. It means I can have one head, okay? I can have 2 heads, okay? I can have 3 heads also. Minimum of 2, right? At least 1 means minimum of 2, minimum of 1, okay? It can be more than 1 also. One head, how many are there? Please check here. For 3 head I have only 1, so right here number of outcomes over here it will be 1. What about 2 head, bacha? We have over here as 2 we have if you want to know actually a trick answer, at least 1, right? Means whenever I don't have less than 1, that is my answer. So less than 1 is what this, bacha, no? Triple T. Rest all will be your part of your favorable outcome. Okay, it will be 7 by 8, simple. So have a look once. I'll show you anyway. 2 heads over here, over here. So 2, 3, and 4. 1 head. Have a look. 1 head is over here, sir. So 1 and 1. So 2. And here 3 also, right? 1 head, right? Wait a second. 2 heads will not be 4. 2 heads will be 1 here. Then I'm getting, bacha, here 2 only, right? So I've written 3, 3, 3. 1 second. 2 heads, right? Okay, 1 second. 2 heads will be, bacha, over here 2 heads. Here I have 2 heads, and over here I have 2 heads, right? So 3 in total. What about 1 head, bacha? We have over here 1 head. We have over here 1 head, and over here. So 3. 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 1 7. What is the answer, bacha? 7 by 8. So the answer 7 by 8. Okay, because only one case where there is no heads, so at least 1 will be there now. Here what is the number of head? 0. So that's why we have taken out 1. Okay, second one. Chaliye. Exactly 2 tails. Exactly 2 tails. Probability of this. Okay, chaliye. Let's look for this probability. If I call this to be, let's say, event A, probability of this getting this event A will be, bacha, number of favorable outcomes, 2 tails, right? So over here is 2 tails, exactly 2. We're not looking for 3 also, only 2. So over here, so only 2, and over here 3 by 8. This is one event, this is one event, this is one event, only 3. So what is the answer? 3 by 8. Exactly 2. Number of favorable outcomes, 1, 2, 3. We have 2 tails over here, 2 tails over here, 2 tails over there. So 3 by 8. Last one. What is it? At most 1 tail. At most 1 tail means maximum of 1 tail, sir. Maximum of 1 tail. Let's call this to be event B. Okay. So probability of getting event B will be what, bacha? Have a look. Maximum of 1 means either 0 or 1. 0 or 1. 0, sir, this one is there. There's no tails over here, so this is counting. 1 can be there, so this is also counting. Okay, I'll write it all of this over here. For this I'll write triple H maximum of 1, so even this one will count. So we're looking for tail, right? Yeah, so we'll write HHT also is there, HST. What I have, we'll write HTT, we won't write HTT because this is having 2 tails, right? TTT, we won't write that. HTH we can write, bacha. HTH we can write. We can write THT, we can't because there are 2 tails. TTH we can't write. THH, yes we can write. TH and H, bacha. So we can write that. Okay, so what are we getting, sir? Please have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is my answer? 4 by total of 8. So probability of getting the event B. What is event B, sir? Event B is at most 1 tail is 4 by 8. How much is that? Simply 1 by 2. Simply 1 by 2 is my answer. Over here the answer is 3 by 8. Over here the answer is 7 by 8. First option's answer is 7 by 8. Second option answer is 3 by 8. Last option answer is 1 by 2. Please have a look. Question number 16 is over. A very good question. 3 marks can be asked over here, bacha. Or can be asked in this question can be asked in the case of case study as well. 4 marker. That's why I've taken this question over here. 4 mark can also be asked in this CBSE 2024 paper. This question is very, very, very good. Okay. Now this concludes, bacha, our session today. Okay. This concludes the session today. I hope you had fun. All right. Now I'll move on to telling you the structure of the research program, which help you understand how it actually helps. Okay. So what we do on the day of the program, bacha, on Sunday for the 3 hours, you have to visit the campus, of course, for offline campus of Diksha. You have to visit, bacha. Once you visit the campus, you'll have a 3-hour session to undertake. Now what we do in the first hour of the session is we teach you a concept. So we give you a lecture on particular concept that you learn, and then you get to ask your doubts as well. So first hour will be complete like that. Second hour you'll have to write an aptitude test based upon what you have learned. So second hour is also over. Third hour we'll evaluate your paper. You can sit back with us, with your parents, and ask all of your doubts. We'll also let you know the approach to your problem solving. How could you have done better? If you're doing a very good job, we'll let you know that as well, that you're doing a very good job in approaching a problem or writing any paper in particular. Okay, so we'll let you know that as well. If you're having other doubts about your career, about your planning, whatever it is, list down all those queries and doubts in a piece of paper. Bring that paper to the campus. Ask all these questions to our team of experienced faculty members and counselor team. Okay, you get to ask all these questions. They'll answer every single thing that you're asking, and I'm very sure that when you're leaving the campus, you'll be very satisfied that yes, I took a right decision to undergo this program, and this helped me make a right career choice. Okay, now after this is done, if you wish to join us for admissions for your 11th and 12th, okay, in the whatever you've chosen, okay, whatever stream you've chosen, in that if you want to join us at 11th and 12th, you get a very good scholarship based upon what the test you written in the second hour. So based upon the test, the score of the test, you'll get a scholarship on admissions if you wish to join us. I hope this is clear. So with this, bacha, I'm ending the session today. I hope you had fun. I hope you learned a lot. Whatever you had expectation from me, I hope I was able to fulfill on that. If you have any other feedback, let me know in the comment section. Any other queries, anything else you want from me, let me know that as well. Okay. So with this, bacha, I'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.